Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll give you a brief idea on how to play Fantasy Premier League. So at first you must have PL account installed and you must log in into your account. I've already logged in and created my account, and if you don't know how to do that, please do check out our video on that as well. So after you are here, you gotta click on fantasy, and here is everything that you need to know. After you click on points, they will show you the points that you have earned in that particular game week. So you can see none of my players have played except Minx, and he has already earned 6 points. So this is how you earn points, or how you get to know about the points that you have earned. And to pick your team, you click on pick team, and you can select the team that you want. I have the false 9 formation that I've taught you guys already how to make. You can make substitutions from here, anyone that you like. So this is how you make substitutions and pick your team and captains. And in the transfer button, after you click on that, you can select any players that you wanna transfer. You select burn and you can transfer it to any player, and after you go to next, you gotta click on confirm again. You can even choose from wildcard or free hit, and you'll be done without any transfer fees. So this is the brief idea, and there is a thing called triple captain as well. What this does is that if my captain has earned 5 points, it triples the point that they have earned. So that means I'll gain 15 points at that particular game week. You can even bench boost, which means that all the players in your bench as well will gain the points, and not all the players will be excluded. So the free hit, what it does is that it gives you the ultimate choice that you can use it to transfer players for unlimited amount of time, and the wildcard does the same. You can even join in leagues from this button after you have entered the code here, or you can even join a public league from here. So this is all you need to know about Fantasy Premier League, and this is how you play Fantasy Premier League. So please do enjoy playing Fantasy Premier League, and you can even join into my league, which is the Go Plays Club. You don't have the link as of now, but I will provide you soon. So this is everything about Fantasy Premier League, and I hope you guys have learned something today or found this video helpful. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.